Hello everyone, how can we make sweet and sour fish both simple and delicious? Today, I'm sharing my family's recipe. Let's take a look. I bought a tilapia fish for 16 yuan. This one is river caught, not farmed, so the flavor is a lot fresher and richer. First, make crisscross cuts on both sides of the fish. This helps it absorb flavor and cook more evenly. Now add a spoonful of salt, some ground pepper, 2 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine, or white vinegar, and a handful of shredded ginger. Use your hands to rub the seasoning all over the fish, inside and out, top to bottom, so it becomes both fragrant and flavorful. Once it's seasoned, stuff the ginger into the fish belly and let it marinate for 30 minutes. While waiting, let's make the sweet and sour sauce. In a bowl, add 1 large spoon of ketchup, some white sugar, aromatic vinegar, half a bowl of water, and a spoonful of sweet potato starch, or cornstarch. Stir well until everything dissolves. In the meantime, finely chop more ginger and garlic. Put them in a small bowl for later use. After marinating, remove the ginger from inside the fish. Now coat the fish completely with a thin layer of starch. Do one side, then flip and coat the other side evenly. Heat up a generous amount of oil in a pan. Dust off any excess starch from the fish. Once the oil is about 70% hot, gently place the fish in to fry. If the oil doesn't fully cover the fish, spoon the hot oil over the top to ensure it cooks evenly. Keep spooning oil over the fish while frying on medium heat. Gently move the fish to prevent it from sticking or burning at the bottom. Once one side is golden and crispy, flip it and fry the other side until golden too. When the whole fish is golden and cooked through, remove it from the oil, drain the excess oil, and place it on a serving plate. In a clean pan, heat some oil. Add the chopped ginger and garlic and stir fry until fragrant. Then pour in the premixed sweet and sour sauce. Stir constantly over medium-low heat until the sauce thickens and large bubbles appear. Add a spoonful of clear oil to give it a shiny finish. Stir well and remove from heat. Now evenly pour the sauce over the fish. 243, garnish with a few green leaves, and that's it. My sweet and sour fish is ready. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and a delicious mix of sweet and sour flavors. My whole family loves it. Final words, if you're a fan of fish, give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and follow. See you tomorrow.